Hello and welcome to another video. I know it's been quite some time. I've actually missed recording just to document and to share with you guys what I've been seeing in the market. As per usual, I'm just going to go through GBP just because it's my favorite pair, and also what a spectacular move happened this week. Let's go up from the monthly time frame. We see that there's been this bearish momentum to the downside. On the weekly time frame, same old. After this hanging man slash bearish Maribozu sort of thing, it just continued down. I could see GBPUSD coming down to 1.1600. And yeah, with today on the daily time frame, I just see, well, today it's hit D1. I do think it could possibly hit D2 early next week, but I'm holding off. With it being hitting D1, I would secure as much profit as I can. So I'll trail my stop loss depending on where I've entered. Don't mind that, but yeah. So what I saw during the week was that there was this strong resistance here at 50% at 1.2600. And then it's created this bullish reversal and hammer, but it didn't continue to go further up. In fact, it actually ends up creating this bearish momentum to the downside, which created the strong win for me, really. It just plummeted. You'll see it more on the 1 hour time frame. So I'm guessing a market was manipulated here. It pushed up back to this resistance level, and then back down it goes. And this heavily was correlated with US dollar, which I did see it come down. And at the same time, I did anticipate this happening because on the US dollar, you see this, it created this high and needs to create a higher low at one of these retracement levels. And it did so at 38.2%. And looking at it from the daily time frame, I actually haven't looked at this all day, but I can see this hitting D1, D2 early next week, just because once it hits 38.2%, it's bound to hit your target profit a lot quicker. So I do see US dollar coming to these levels next week. And with GBP USD, I do see it hitting D2 early next week because of that. And well, if you haven't got in, I wouldn't really suggest getting in unless you really want to. And even because of that, you shouldn't really, but I'm just trying to put Fibonacci, and it hasn't really hit 38.2%. So at the moment, this phase here is consolidating. I wouldn't be entering in unless I'm entering here and I see strong bearish momentum. So let's just put it like that. I'd need to see some bearish momentum breaking below or past this counter trend line. At the same time, the blue MAs are moving sideways, and the red MAs is coming sideways as well. So this could potentially be just a pennant triangle where it just consolidates around this area before it shoots up. At the same time, there's all the risk of it shooting up and shooting down. So I would wait a potential buy or sell opportunity once it's broken these areas. And yeah, as straightforward as it is, that is my analysis for GBPUSD as well as US dollar. US dollar has just been playing around these areas, and it is, to be fair, the start of the month, so not much movement is going to happen, and I can see it happening more next week where it just pushes up like crazy. And yeah, and that is it for that video.